Yo, what's good? It's your boy McKeezy, aka Lil from the CEO, aka Lil Mom McKee, and today we're back with another review. Sorry, I feel so low loud here. I got the dishwasher going. I couldn't wait. I was about to juice. I'm like, let me show you guys what I'm working with today. So today we're gonna be doing a review of this here Gourmia, or Gourmia if you're into the MCU. Extraction juicer. It's a great juicer here. It comes with this micro mesh filter. Got the simple digital controls like a clock or whatever. It has this self-cleaning cycle, and it's like spacious. It's super dope. Little backstory to me and juicing. I recently fell in love with juicing due to my big brother. He's gone vegan. He's been vegan for like 5 years now, and he's always putting me on to different cool things, and he took me to the vegan fest. I fell in love with all the food, and I'm slowly turning over, as y'all seen on my other channel, on McKeezy Media, on my McKeezy Eats show. I'm trying to get over to the more healthier foods and the vegan foods, because they're good. They're just as good as non-vegan foods. So anything with the juices, he will always put me onto different juices. Like, man, this is like cucumber mixed with apples and this other stuff. And I'm like, I can taste all of these fruits and vegetables. I'm like, where'd you get this from? He's like, man, I juice it myself. I make it myself. And I'm like, oh yeah, I gotta get my own juicer and just go grab me a bag of fruit or juice, whatever, and just mix until I come up with some dope combination like that, because I want that. So anyway, I did it. I got my own. I found this here at Target for around, it was on sale for like $51. After tax, like $55. So it's pretty great. Couldn't beat that. And it looks great. So in the box, so on the box here, it's not too big of a box. That's pretty cool. When it comes in, when you get it in the box, it's basically already built together. It is a couple pieces of cardboard and a little foam, for safety, for packaging and shipping and things like that, that you gotta take out. But basically it's already built. But I'm gonna build it up here for you today, because I used it once to make some blueberry lemonade, and I cleaned it out. So I'm gonna build it back up for you guys and show you the process. So here's the base. The next part is like this little, I don't know what they call it. It has like the spout where you pour the actual juice out, comes out in this part. So that comes next. You actually got to turn it on here. You got fit flush. Next we got the pulp catcher. That wasn't really next, but I put that on next just because I know every time. But really, this right here, the micro mesh filter with the this little blades at the bottom, bring around to show you the blades and everything. So yeah, got the micro mesh filter with all those little spots. So don't touch that. Those are like blades and little mini knives on the serrated edges. So you just you can twist it, to a fillet, and then lock it in. Then you just give it a nice little push. It's gonna snap in. You're gonna feel it. And, give it a little jiggle. It's not going nowhere. No time. It's not just gonna fly out. And that's basically it. It's basically built there. Just got this last part here. It's like the lid, to keep all the juice and all the pulp from flying all over your kitchen. And last thing here is this the pusher. It has this lid on it. Has two functions. I'll tell you what the other function is for later. I thought it was like, it doesn't have like a hole all the way through. It's like a cup. So I'm like, I don't put the fruit through it and then put the lid on it. So I had to learn what that was. So I'll tell you about that later. It's really with the self-cleaning cycle, but I'll show you how to use it later. Then on here, it has this like little slit here. So I'll show you the bottom of it, show you if you can see the slit. Yeah, there's a slit. So yeah, just remember when you're putting your fruit in, if it might be if you got it wrong, it might be going in like a little weird, but it goes in super flush if you just keep it right there with that line thing with the slits. As well as when you get the box, it comes with this manual and this little help me card. And as well, it has this juicer speed chart from apples all the way down to watermelon on what you're what speed you're supposed to have the machine on and juice them, which is super cool. You can get watermelons in here. You probably got to chop them up, but super dope. Not even that much, because this is pretty long. It's like 3 inches wide, so probably slice it up just super long and just push it down with this. You'll be cool. Yeah, and the two notes that I learned that like was big for me was that any skin that you can't eat, you gotta peel it off, and as well as take out any seeds. Sorry, you knew that. And that's like two of the big things here. And also comes with this really cool picture. Say 1,200 milliliters, if I'm not mistaken. Boop. So before we start juicing, I'm gonna just go ahead and get some B-roll around here real quick and just show you what it looks like in a second. So I'll try to put up a screenshot of the juicer speed chart. So I know you got all this fruit over here. I'm not about to do none of the fruit today. What we're about to do is some of these carrots because I got a whole bunch of them. And yeah, why not? So I already washed these off. I put a little bit of apple cider vinegar and some water. Rinse these off really good. I looked here on my juicer speed chart that carrots are hard, so that'd be on number 6 on here. So I'm gonna go around and set it to 6. And then so a little tip and reminder when you set everything, before you set everything, make sure this is closed and locked. Boom, so everything's sturdy, it's not moving around. This is all locked. Just in case, I'm gonna put a napkin right here under, but sometimes little pulp gets stuck in there, right here, and it just falls out. That's what I learned from the lemonade, so I'm gonna just put that right there just in case. Well, I'm gonna start this, put it on 6, and just slowly add in these carrots and start juicing. Took the mic off for a little second there. We only did a little bit of the carrots. Yeah, so I didn't know, forgot to say earlier that it did have a little tip that says don't leave your juicer on for a high amount of times for, I believe at a high power for longer than 60 seconds at a time. So that's why I'm turning it off right now, just to, it's my first time. It's a little loud there. It's not hot or anything, nothing crazy. Just, I want to follow the rules there. So just turn it down for a little second. Got little carrot bits around, but I didn't see them fly out, so I have to slow it down to see where they came from. But this is pretty cool. I love this. So we're gonna start it back up. Finish the rest of this carrot. While we let that run out a little bit more, I'm about to get me a little bit of this. So I'm not just using carrot juice today. I know I said that, but I'm just gonna drink some carrot juice because I never really had it. So I'm just try that and see what it's here for. But we're gonna use the rest of these carrots with another drink. But you can find out more about what that drink is gonna be and what I'm gonna put in it on my other channel, on my other show, my cooking show called Makizi Eats. It's on my channel called Makizi Media. I'll link it below for you guys to check that out and see the other. I'm gonna try to get some recipes offline and also come up with my own combinations that I feel are cool and I like, even though I'm pretty sure there's not too many combinations that haven't been done. So, but I'm gonna try out for myself and become a part of the juicing community. So if you guys like this and if it steered you towards getting a juicer, yeah, leave a like, and subscribe and comment below. Like I said, I got this at Target it was on sale for $50, so $55 after tax. So super reasonable price. And while we're here, we're gonna try a little bit of this here carrot juice. It's smooth. I don't really see too much pulp in there. There's a bunch of pulp in the back. We're gonna show you what that pulp in the back look like in a second. Cheers. Oh, carrots. Liquid carrot. I don't know why I thought it would be super different, but it's good. I love it. I think I might just juice me some carrots. Just have some carrot juice. So let me show you what this pulp looking like. So I'm gonna turn it towards my so it has a function on there. You just keep going all the way up until it says clean. I don't know if you guys can see that there. It says clean. And so you put that function on there. What I'm gonna do here is get my camera right. 1 second. Is I'm gonna turn my where it comes out of little spout. I'm gonna turn that towards over my sink so that stuff can come out that way. I'm gonna close this back. After I got it a little bit rinsed out, I'm gonna put everything back together. Then fill. And then fill this up, the pusher up with water. I'll probably do a little bit of warmer water. Okay, I went a little ahead of myself here, but 1 second. So I've got that filled up with water. Got about this step right here, the brush. So what you gotta do with the brush, the top of this lid here, there's a little slit here and a slit here. You just line them up. Boom, that's how it looks. When you put it up here, you put it back here on top of your, put it back on top. And then you lock it. Everything is on, not moving around. And so, once you press power, it's going to start going. Then you just pour the water in there and let it self-clean. Alright, that should do. As you can see, it's all coming out the side here. That's why I say you can hang it over the side and scoot it over some more. So yeah, that was it. Hope you guys really learned something from here. If you like this review, go ahead and check it out for yourself. Go grab one. If you see them somewhere cheap still, go get them. Like, it's worth it. Like, I can juice all of these, all my carrots, some bigger fruits. Like, it goes all the way from apples up to watermelons and everything in between, from tomatoes, raspberries, plums, pineapples, pears, peaches, anything. The list goes on. I mean, you just gotta skin most of the things that you can't. If you can't eat that skin, peel it, take out the seeds, throw it in this bad boy, and get you some juice. And then you got the pulp on this side if you want to have the pulp. I recommend getting an extra strainer, but you don't really need to because it strains out a lot of it. But yeah, there you go. So thanks for watching. I'm not an indie still, so y'all have a good day.